बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें लगता है कि हम इंडियन वार्डरोब में स्टाइलिश नहीं दिख पाते हैं क्योंकि वही ट्रेडिशनल कॉन्सेप्ट्स होते हैं, उसको पहनने के लिए वही सेम तरीका आप हर जगह लगाते हो कि ऐसे पहनना है वैसे पहनना है. बट देयर आर 100 ways to make your Indian wear look super stylish. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Abhinya Menon, a certified image consultant, personal stylist and a makeup artist. Video is all about how to look stylish in your Indian wardrobe. And बहुत बार आपने नोटिस भी किया होगा, हमें कोई ऐसी सेलिब्रिटी या कोई ऐसा इन्फ्लुएंसर दिख जाता है who looks so amazing, जबकि उन्होंने पहना सलवार कमीज होता है, क्योंकि उन्होंने कुछ ऐसे ट्रिक्स अपनाए होते हैं जो हम नहीं अपनाते हैं एंड वो बहुत ही मंडेन लगता है. So let me bring out all those tricks for you guys so that next time when you're wearing Indian wear, you are going to look extremely amazing and hot and gorgeous. Number one important point which you need to remember is the right size. ये एक बहुत बड़ा misconception होता है कि हमें बहुत फिटिंग के कपड़े पहनने चाहिए जिसमें हम बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे, जो कि एकदम ही कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करता है टू द स्टाइल वैल्यूज ऑफ एनी पर्सन. You should wear a regular fit or something like a size up that makes the outfit flow beautifully on your body without getting into those curves, and that will give a perfect stylish look. आप कोई भी आउटफिट बहुत ही ज़्यादा फिटिंग के पहनोगे तो वो आपके बल्जेस को और ज़्यादा दिखाता है and you end up looking very boxy and very much not appropriate. So you have to remember the silhouette of the outfit and the silhouette of your body matters a lot, and they should come in balance with each other or in harmony so that your whole overall outfit looks great. So next time when you are trying to fit into your Indian wear, size थोड़ा ढीला रखो, let it flow beautifully on your body and you will look amazing. Trust me. Point number 2, the right bottom. Why is it always I've seen Indian women wearing leggings? पता नहीं ये legging का culture कहाँ से start हुआ था, कब हुआ था, but जो भी था, now we can end it. Please stop wearing leggings. The bottom wear actually creates a huge impression. अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं नीचे कुछ भी डाल लूँ पता नहीं चलेगा, पता चलता है. So next time, try to wear a ankle length pants, cigarette pants or a structured tailored pant under your kurta or your whatever you're wearing on the top, and your salwar kameez is going to look amazing. Try this. Point number 3 to make your Indian wear look absolutely stunning is the length of your kurta. Maximum height को long length कुर्ते बहुत compliment करते हैं and trust me, it looks great. If you're opting for short length kurta, then try something like this. आपकी जो पजामी है वो भी थोड़ी short होनी चाहिए. Short और एकदम long will never compliment you, so make sure the length has been altered as per your height and structure. But the safest side is कि आप calf length कुर्ते लो, long length कुर्ते लो, उसके नीचे आप ankle length pants डालो, they look absolutely amazing. So try this. Next point to make your Indian wear look super stylish is the dupatta drape. How are you draping your dupatta? आप क्या एक regular V-neck style में दुपट्टा डालते हो? If you're doing that, that is killing the vibe of the outfit. There are 100 ways to drape your dupatta. It could be from the back, it could be from the side, the open side. Even a structured pinned side dupatta looks graceful compared to this V-neck dupatta. So please avoid it, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से आप दुपट्टे डालते हैं उससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्लास एंड सोफिस्टिकेशन भी शो करता है. ओके, दिस पॉइंट इज सुपर इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज मैंने 90% लड़कियों को देखा है कि उनको लगता है कि हम सलवार कमीज पहनेंगे, झुमके डालेंगे, बाल खुले छोड़ेंगे एंड यू आर गोइंग टू लुक लाइक अ बॉलीवुड दीवा. बट ट्रस्ट मी, दैट्स नॉट द केस. Your hair, if it is not blow dried well, if it is not combed well, it is not styled well, is going to look like a disaster. So always remember, sleek hair buns, sleek hair ponytails and sleek hair in any way is going to elevate your look from 5 to 1000. And आप करके देखना ये चीज़. And with respect to the fact कि please उसमें आपने oil ना करा हो. Oily hair sleek is like supermodel. उसके लिए हमारा फेस भी supermodel type chiseled होना चाहिए. But if you are having a sleek bun, sleek pony, that is going to look amazing on your Indian wear. That is going to make you look super stylish. Make sure it is not frizzy. Serum लगा के अच्छे से उसको set करो. It should be properly blow dried. Frizzy hair open, flying to every direction in this world is not at all stylish. Please remember that. It is about jewelry. Are you putting on every jewelry possible on your Indian wear looking like a Christmas tree? Please remember ladies, one focused jewelry plays the best role. अब उस वन फोकस ज्वेलरी में आप अपने इंडियन वेयर को, अपनी शादी के जोड़े वाले ज्वेलरी को भी इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द फैक्ट कि आप कोई एक चीज़ अपने, अगर आपका शादी का जो ज्वेलरी था वो बहुत हैवी है, आप लगता है पहन नहीं सकते, वो एक चीज़ पहनो. Keep your ears empty, keep your hands empty, just keep everything empty, just वो एक focus point होना चाहिए. This is how you create harmony in the whole outfit. Otherwise आप हर जगह कंगन भी डाले हैं, गहने भी डाले हैं, earrings भी डाले हैं, सब कुछ डाला हुआ है, मेकअप भी करा है, आपका फोकस पूरा ही हिल जाएगा. मतलब कोई इंसान आपको देखे तो कहाँ देखे, लाइक यू आर लुकिंग ऑल ओवर, OTT जिसको बोलते हैं, ऑल ओवर द टॉप और ऑल द प्लेस. So please don't do all these mistakes and keep one focus point in picture so that you look graceful and sophisticated every single time you wear Indian jewelry or a Indian outfit. Common thing out there, I think मैंने जितने भी points बोले वो सारे बहुत ही common है out there, but yes, please वो wallet carry करना बंद कर दीजिए if you are wearing a Indian wear and आपको लग रहा है कि मुझे phone ही बस carry करना है या बस एक lipstick carry करना है. Carry a sophisticated clutch. Carry a good sturdy clutch. प्लीज़ अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है बस एक वॉलेट ही तो है, थोड़े से पैसे ही तो है, नहीं, वो बहुत ही अजीब लगता है, वो बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता है. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम stepping out of the house, remember to carry a clutch, remember to carry a sling bag which is little elaborate or decorated or embellished चलेगा, but सिर्फ एक वॉलेट को carry करना, it kills the vibe of your Indian wear. Please carry a clutch that looks super elegant. Please follow the guidelines which princesses used to follow for the level of elegance you want to achieve. They will always carry a clutch irrespective of the fact कि उसके अंदर कुछ है कि नहीं. Princess Catherine, Princess Diana, Rajmata Gayatri Devi, they all carried a clutch. So please keep these points in your mind. Okay, next point which is a great point to remember again, which you often end up doing, is wearing regular chappals or regular sandals with your Indian wear. देखो, इंडियन वेयर को आप बहुत अंडर एस्टिमेट करते हो, उसके साथ कुछ भी पहन लेते हैं थिंकिंग कि ये तो बहुत कॉमन है, बट दिस इज व्हाट किल्स द वाइब ऑफ एन इंडियन वेयर. एंड व्हाई सडनली समवन एल्स हु इज सो ग्रेसफुल इन इंडियन वेयर, वो क्या ऐसा करते हैं, वो इन छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे ध्यान देते हैं. So next time when you're wearing an Indian wear, please invest in a jutti, invest in a stiletto, invest in a pointy toes, or invest in block heels which is having little golden embellishments, but no chappal. Nothing which is very क्या बोलते हैं उसको, which is just not amazing to look at. So your footwear either makes the outfit or it actually breaks the outfit. आपको क्या लगता है कि लोग आपकी चप्पल नहीं देखते, लोग आपकी चप्पल सबसे पहले देखते हैं because it's carrying the weight of the whole outfit. Last but not the least, the overall print of your kurta or your salwar or your whole outfit. If you want to look sophisticated, opt for very much like pastel shades, little embellishments, little or small prints rather than going huge on your prints or huge on your embellishments. Always create something of a thing called interest in your outfit. Maybe आपका दुपट्टे में वो interest create हो सकता है, सलवार में हो सकता है या टॉप में हो सकता है, but keep everything very put together, very minimal. बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े polka dots और बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े stripes or something that is going to take away the beauty of your own face or anything which is around that outfit. So always remember कि आप अगर छोटे prints के साथ play करते हैं, pastels के साथ या solid colors के साथ play करते हैं, तो you are also in focus. Otherwise चीज़ें बहुत जल्दी mix up हो जाती हैं and you end up looking like a Christmas tree. So please avoid getting that as a situation for yourself. And अगर आप ये सारे points follow करेंगे तो eventually you are going to look super amazing. इसमें से आप, I'm not saying कि आप ये सारे points follow करो. Your personal preferences also come in play. बट इसमें से कोई थोड़े से भी आप फॉलो करेंगे, आई एम टेलिंग यू वेरी ऑनेस्टली, you are going to look amazing. And yes, before I finish this video, I always come up with one bonus point or a few style tips because मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है आप लोगों को बताना something which is like 5 से 6 हो गया तो कुछ नहीं होता है. Last, always wear a watch. Yes, अगर आप कोशिश कर सकते हैं तो एक हाथ में कड़े डालें, एक हाथ में आप अपने bracelets, whatever you feel like, have one watch in the other hand. It definitely adds up the sophistication in your Indian wear. And try this and let me know how it went for you. Please like this video if it was worth your time. Subscribe so that we can become a great family of elegant people. share with people around you जिनके साथ आपको लगता है कि Indian wear पहनने में उनको help हो जाएगी. And yes, comment your thoughts how it was and आपको क्या अच्छा लगा. What would you like to see next in my video? Would you like to see some makeup as well, since my last makeup video did quite well in the YouTube family? So yes, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Abhinya Menon, your personal stylist. You can follow me on Instagram as well to see my life, what's happening and whatnot, and all the style journey I go with other clients and people. So that would be my Instagram handle. And yes, I'll see you again in my next video. Stay stylish and stay elegant.